So today we're getting rid of all this janky stock shift lever. We're gonna put a new one on, so y'all stay tuned. So I got those pieces off, and there's our shift shaft. I'm gonna wipe it down, clean it up a little bit. Hopefully y'all can see. That's our shift shaft. I took the linkage off from right here. Now we're gonna replace it. So here's what we're putting on, guys. We got the new shifter lever, which bends in case the bike were to go down. That way it doesn't break the shifter. And I'm also putting this reinforcement bracket on so that it doesn't just, if the bike goes down, it doesn't break the gear shaft off, but this will take the impact instead. And yeah. So I wanted to show y'all the bolts that we need to remove. It's gonna be that one and this one right up here. That one right up there. And then this piece will slide on the gear shaft. And yeah, so we're gonna get that done. I'll be back. Alright guys, quick update. Here's what we got so far. I did not get to put the reinforcement bracket on yet. I gotta run to the hardware store and pick up a 8mm socket, and then I will be right back. But so far so good. I love how it looks. Alright guys, so we made it to Ace Hardware, and I'm gonna pick up that 8mm socket. See you on a few. Alright guys, so we found these sockets, and I found the one I need, and I'm gonna have to get a ratchet for it as well. So I gotta go get somebody to unlock those for me, and I will be right back. Alright guys, 8mm socket and wrench acquired. I also acquired something else along the way. So I just wanted to give y'all a comparison of the stock bolts versus the bolts we'll be replacing it with. So what you do is you take the new bolts, slide the spacer on there, like that. So I'll be back to show y'all the final result. Side note, you don't want to leave these bolts out too long because it can cause some leaks. So this is not the time to take a little break, go get a beer, none of that good stuff. Just go ahead and get it done while you have them off, and I'll be back with the final result. Give me just a second. So here's what it looks like with everything hand tightened. As you can see, it slid over the gear shaft or shift shaft. I think it's gonna come out real good, y'all. I'll be back. Alright guys, so here's the final result. Got everything buttoned up and tightened down. So as you can see, I got the reinforcement bracket on there. It looks good. I know it's definitely gonna shift better. Way less play. You can see. I think it's gonna be way better. I'll give y'all a different point of view. One sec. So one thing I'll say is don't forget to set your shifter position before you tighten everything down. That way it feels good, like as far as where you put your foot. But check it out. Way firmer, less wobbly, Feels good and stiff. Just what I wanted. Let me know what y'all thought of the video. I know I didn't show all the ins and outs of taking everything loose, getting everything put on. But we got it done, y'all, and that's what matters. Let me know what y'all think.